The mark of the beast is here. X platform ushers in apocalypse prophecy. Humanity stands at a critical crossroads. Ancient biblical prophecies from the Book of Revelation, such as the drying of the Euphrates River, preparations to rebuild the Third Temple, and the rise of influential global leaders, are unfolding today. What if these events are not mere coincidences, but intentional interventions from our own future descendants who have traveled back in time using advanced frequency wave technology to alter history? So, frequency wave theory, or FWT, suggests our reality might be cyclical, repeating the events of the apocalypse due to intervention from future civilizations. This could explain how ancient prophecies are now being vividly realized in our modern world. The Euphrates River drying, climate change, and human interference have significantly dried the Euphrates River, matching Revelation's prophecy, Revelation 16:12. Third Temple preparations. Recent events including red heifers arriving in Israel and sacred temple objects like the golden menorah being prepared, fulfill ancient predictions. Influential global figures, leaders like Donald Trump, potentially fulfilling the Antichrist prophecy through Middle Eastern peace accords, and Elon Musk, whose technological innovations like Neuralink could align with the false prophet narrative, have emerged. Critical date, 2026. Chris Bledsoe, a notable UFO experiencer, predicts a major transformative event in Easter 2026, possibly signaling the return of Christ or a pivotal moment orchestrated by future humans. X platform and mark of the beast. The emerging X platform could represent the mark of the beast, requiring fingerprint and forehead scans to grant users a blue checkmark verification. This would enable participation in a global digital economy reliant solely on digital currency. This message serves as an urgent call to humanity. Reject division and conflict. Avoid paths leading to catastrophic nuclear wars. Question blind technological faith. Be cautious of embracing technologies that could lead to control or loss of humanity's essential freedoms. Spiritual and ethical awakening. Prepare morally and spiritually to reshape our future positively. We must awaken and unite now. Our future descendants, and perhaps even Christ himself, are watching, hoping we'll choose wisely.